Today we are going to do problems in exercise 1D. Rationalize the denominator of each of the following. See the denominators. They are irrational. We are going to make it rational. Irrational means which are not having perfect squares. Now, denominator they are asking. So, 2 by root 6 is there. To make it rational, multiply with root 6 again. For root 6 is the rationalizing factor. RF of rationalizing factor of root 6 is root 6. If you multiply with root 6 into root 6, it will become 6. So that is equal to 2 root 6. 2 into root 6 is 2 root 6 divided by root 6 into root 6 is 6. This 2 goes 3 times. So how much we got now? Root 6 by 3. Now the denominator became rational. Coming to the next problem. Here 2 root 3 is there. For 2 root 3 is the rationalizing factor. So root 2 by 2 root 3 into root 3 by root 3. Now both are same order, so we can write as 2 square root of 2 into 3. Second order. So square root of 2 into 3. 2 ones are here, nothing is there, means 2 as it is. Root 3 into root 3 is 3. Now simplify. Root 6, 2 3s are 6 divided by 2 into 3, 2 3s are here 6. So answer is root 6 by 6. Coming to the next. Here 3 plus root 5 is there. The RF means rationalizing factor, shortcut. The RF of 3 plus root 5 is 3 minus root 5, quite opposite. Very simple. If plus is there, write minus. Suppose minus is there, write plus. That much simple. No need to by heart or no need to remember also. Just quite opposite sign. So RF means rationalizing factor, shortcut. So that is equal to 1 by 3 plus root 5 into 3 minus root 5 by again 3 minus root 5. What we are multiplying with numerator, same we have to multiply with the denominator also. There should not be changed because both get cancelled again the same problem. There won't be any difference. So here everybody knows one table. 1 into any number is, and otherwise you write 1 into 3 minus root 5 by divided by, it is in the form of a plus b into a minus b. A square minus b square. So remember that formula. Now that is equal to 3 minus root 5 by 3 3s 9 minus root 5 into root 5 5. That is equal to 3 minus root 5 divided by 9 minus 5 how much? 4. They told to rationalize the denominator, we rationalize the denominators. Can you see here? This is the, they told rationalize the denominator, we rationalize in this method. Now fifth problem. 1 divided by 4 plus 2 root 3. They are asking to rationalize the denominator. So the rationalizing factor of 4 plus 2 root 3 is 4 minus 2 root 3. So 1 by 4 plus 2 root 3 into 4 minus 2 root 3 divided by 4 minus 2 root 3. Now 1 into 4 minus 2 root 3, multiplying numerator with numerator. Denominator is in which formula? A plus b into a minus b. So a square minus b square. Now that is equal to 1 into any number is same. 4 minus 2 root 3. Here 4 fours 16 minus 2 twos 4. Root 3 into root 3 3. So now that is equal to 4 minus 2 root 3 by 16 minus 4 threes 12. Now that is equal to 4 minus 2 root 3 divided by 16 minus 12 is 4. On the whole 2 table is common. Here 2 goes, here 2 goes, here 2 goes. So in numerator take 2 table common. 2 minus root 3 by 4. Now 2 goes in 4 2 times. So what is the answer? Means 2 minus root 3 by 2. Denominator became rational. Next, coming to the seventh one. The rationalizing factor of root 3 minus 1 is root 3 plus 1. Here denominator plus is there. So automatic. Here minus will come. We have to see the denominator. Here plus is there. So minus will come. Here plus is there. We took minus. The same manner. Root 3 minus 1 by root 3 plus 1 into, here plus is there, so rationalizing factor will be root 3 minus 1 by root 3 minus 1. What we are doing with the numerator, same thing with the denominator. Now it is in which formula, you know, root 3 minus 1 whole square, a minus b whole square formula, and denominator a plus b into a minus b, a square minus b square. Now a minus b whole square formula, a square minus 2ab plus b square divided by root 3 into root 3, 3. 1 ones are 1, so minus 1. Here root 3 into root 3, 3 minus 2 ones are 2, 2 root 3. 1 square means 1, so plus 1 by 3 minus 1 how much? 2. Now 3 plus 1 how much? 4. 4 minus 2 root 3 by 2. Again you are going to take 2 table common. If you take 2 table common, 2 minus root 3 by 2. 2 get cancelled. What is remained means answer 2 minus root 3. So here the denominator is 1, rationalized 1. If you write 1 or not writing 1 also no problem. Coming to the 8th problem. Tell me the rationalizing factor of 3 plus 2 root 2 is how much? 3 minus 2 root 2. Is there any difficult? No difficulty. Plus there means minus you are going to write. That is equal to 3 minus 2 root 2 by 3 plus 2 root 2 into 3 minus 2 root 2 by 3 minus 2 root 2. You have to see the denominator. Not the, they asked rationalize numerator, then you have to see numerator. Here they told to rationalize denominator. Denominator plus is there, so minus we are taking. If they ask numerator, you will take plus. Are you able to follow? Read the question properly. Now numerator is in the form of 3 minus 2 root 2 whole square, and denominator a plus b into a minus b, a square minus b square. Always the denominator will be in this formula. Now a minus b whole square formula, a square minus 2ab plus b square. B square means 2 root 2 whole square, because rational number is there, irrational number is there. Coming to denominator, 3 3s 9 minus 2 2s are 4, root 2 into root 2 2. Now that is equal to 3 3s 9 minus 2 3s are 6, 6 2s 12, 12 root 2. Able to follow? Plus 2 2s 4, root 2 into root 2 2. Coming to denominator, 9 minus 8. How 8? 4 2s are 8. That is equal to 9 minus 12 root 2 plus 8 by 8 minus 1. How much? 1. If you write 1 or no need, no problem. Now coming to 9 minus 8 is 1. If you write or not writing also, no problem. That is equal to 8, 9 plus 8, 17 minus 12 root 2. If you write this one or not writing also, no problem. Eleventh problem. Root 2 divided by root 2 plus root 3 minus root 5. Here 3 irrational numbers you are seeing. Either first 2 you can make it one group, or last 2 you can make, your will and wish. Here I am making root 2 divided by root 2 plus root 3 as one set minus root 5. Then the rationalizing factor of root 2 plus root 3 minus root 5 is root 2 plus root 3. Inside the bracket nothing will change. Outside the bracket minus is there. Here plus it will come. Plus root 5. So the rationalizing factor of what? Minus will become plus. No sir, I will take these two as one set and this one, then plus will become minus. Keep in mind. You try for that one also, same answer comes. That no doubt at all. That is equal to root 2 divided by root 2 plus root 3 minus root 5 into rationalizing factor root 2 plus root 3 minus, here minus is there, so here plus, here minus is there, here plus root 5. Both numerator and denominator we are going to multiply with the same rationalizing factor. Keep in mind. Now with 2 root 2 you are going to multiply that one. That is equal to root 2 into root 2 plus root 3 plus root 5 divided by, now which one is A and which one is B? This is, we are thinking as A and this is B. A plus B into A minus B. So root 2 plus root 3 whole square minus root 5 whole square. Always the denominator formula will not change. A plus B into A minus B is equal to A square minus B square. Now multiply with root 2 all the 3. Next come to the denominator. That is equal to root 2 into root 2. That is 2. Plus into plus. Plus root 2 into root 3. Root 2 into 3. Because same order you can multiply. Plus into plus. Plus root 2 into root 5. Root 2 into 5 because same order here also again. Now come to denominator. Denominator is in A plus B whole square formula. A square plus 2AB 2AB plus B square plus B square. Not yet completed. Keep your finger because minus is there. Minus root 5 whole square means 5. Up to here. This is only expansion of first term. Still second term is there. The square root. Now that is equal to 2 plus root 6. 2 3s are 6 plus 2 5s are 10. Root 2 into root 2 2 plus 2 root 6. I am writing directly. 2 root, if you want, otherwise do one more step, plus root 3 whole square means 3. This minus 5 as it is. Now simplify. 2 plus root 6 plus root 10 divided by 2 plus 3, 5. 5 minus 5. 5 minus 5 plus 2 root 6. 5 minus 5 how much? 0. So 2 plus root 6 plus root 10 by 2 root 6 is left. They told to rationalize the denominator. Did we rationalize? No, still we got irrational. So again with the root 6 you are going to multiply. The rationalizing factor of 2 root 6 is root 6. With root 6 you are going to multiply both numerator and denominator. That is equal to 2 plus root 6 plus root 10 by 2 root 6 into root 6 by root 6. You are going to multiply. Now that is equal to, slowly you multiply, no hurry burry. With root 6 you are going to multiply 2 root 6 plus is there, plus root 6 into root 6 6 plus root 10 into 6 because same order 10 into 6 by 2 into root 6 into root 6. Denominator you are multiplying 2 root 6 plus 6 plus root 60. Here 60 came by 2 into root 6 into root 6 is 6. Now 2 root 6 plus 6 into, for 60 2 table goes 30 times, 2 table goes 15 times, 3 table goes 5 times. So you can write as 2 root 15 plus 2 root 15. What is the square root of 15 means 2 root 15 because for 2 2's 1 2 came outside by 12. Now you can take 2 table common. If you take 2 table common, root 6 plus 2 goes 3 times plus root 15 by 12 and this 2 goes 6 times. So what is the answer? Root 3 root 6 plus 3 plus root 15 by 6. Are you able to follow? That is, this is part of working. Listen carefully. So be careful. Way of simplifying. 60 we have find factors. Square root, no? For 2 2's 1 2 came outside here. And remaining is 3 5 15. So 2 root 15. On the whole, here 2 table is there, here 2 table is there, here 2 table. 2 table I took outside. The remaining ones. 2 goes here in 12. 6 times. So this is the final answer.